Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new. Today I'm so excited to share with you guys a collective clothing haul. It has been a while since I sat down and filmed one of these videos on my channel, so I hope you guys are as excited as I am because I love sharing recent purchases with you guys and what I'm going to be styling. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I do want to say, as a little disclaimer, this is a bit of a collective haul. I also have a few pieces that my cousin gave me as a hand-me-down, which I always love a good bag of hand-me-downs or like a swap with friends. So I'm so excited and so grateful for that. So some of these pieces are pre-loved, but I love that. I think it's so wonderful to do that, and I love giving hand-me-downs as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The first piece is my absolute favorite, and if you guys didn't hear the news, I got my Instagram Kellyprepster back. I will be sure to have it linked down below in the description box in case you guys want to check it out. But I wore this super cute white Lily Pulitzer tank in my announcement post, and let's start off. This is so cute. I love the little bamboo zipper pull in the back. It's so cute, but it is just this little eyelet, pretty detailed tank top, and then it's got this gorgeous little fringe on the bottom. And you guys, I just love all the details that Lily Pulitzer does in their clothing, and I think I'm going to be wearing this a ton this season. I love it too because it's like such a statement piece, but it's also really subtle because it's just the simple white tank top. So I've been loving that. Then I did pop in to American Eagle while I was at the mall and picked up 2 new pairs of pants. And you guys, I picked up these next level stretch white denim shorts. They're so stinking cute, and I love that they're not super ripped. You can roll them up or wear them like this. They have really cute little pockets on the back. Midi shorts, but I'm only 5'4", and I thought they just looked really flattering on. And then I also got, and I've already worn these, we went to a pool party over the weekend and I wore these. They're so cute. They are the American Eagle Outfitters. They're just like little tiny shorts. They're cuffed up on the bottom. I just think they're adorable. But I needed a new pair of denim shorts because I wanted something that fit just right. And then I did pop in to TJ Maxx and bought 2 tank tops, and I'm so excited about it because this one is gorgeous. Let me untangle it. It's this beautiful cobalt blue color. Oh my gosh, and it's like silky. It's kind of like the tank top that I'm currently wearing, which is from Banana Republic, and I got this at TJ Maxx. It's from the brand Naked Zebra. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've never heard of this brand, but it's so gorgeous. It's just a really flattering tank top. It's got these super cute little tassels. I felt like this would look great with like Lily Pulitzer shorts or some chinos, or honestly even like a pair of like white skinny jeans, and I just love the look of it. It's definitely dressy, but it's just a really great material. Then when I was at TJ Maxx, I also got a new fitness tank top, and I believe this is from the brand Zella, but it's just got these super cute little reflective details. It reminds me a lot of the Lululemon Swifty material, and I love it. And I've been Pelotoning like crazy, and I feel like my workout clothes are getting so dirty. Like, I'm like, I need a new tank top. So it was so nice to treat myself to a new tank top for them. Then when I was at the mall, I also popped in to Rally House, and so they sell athletic, like sports clothing. And I know football season's quite a bit away, and you guys might know I cheer for both the Bengals and the Kansas City Chiefs. I'm a Patty Ice fan because when I play fantasy football, I always pick him as my quarterback. But of course I gotta rep my Cincinnati, and I got this super cute Bengals crew neck, and it's just like a heathered gray vintage looking sweatshirt, and I just thought it was so cute. I couldn't pass it up, and I honestly think it's maybe a little bit cheaper buying it in the off season than during football season. So I'm a sucker for a good comfy crew neck, so I had to pick that up. I also bought this simple black long sleeve tee from Gap, and it's part of their Pure Body Gap Body collection. These are so comfy for sleeping in. If you're looking for like a nice soft sleep shirt, I love these. I get so cold at night. Then I also picked up this Madewell denim skirt, and you guys, I've been looking for something like this because we are going to a country concert in July, and I'm so excited. And I was like, how cute would it be to wear like a white tank top or a white t-shirt, a black denim skirt with my black cowgirl boots. So I'm so excited about it. It's so cute. I love that it's a little bit distressed looking. It's got like the little on the bottom, and I just think these look so adorable. So definitely follow me over on Instagram to see how I style that. Last thing I picked up was this Nike tank top, and it's just gorgeous blue color. But again, I've been Pelotoning, so I wanted to get like a new athletic tank top, and this will be perfect because it gets so toasty when you're working out in the summertime. Like I mentioned, I do have a few goodies from my cousin, and I love swapping clothes. I just think it's so much fun. So I got some new pieces and some new shoes. So the first pair are these New Balance sneakers, and you guys know how much I love New Balance. I think they're so classic and so preppy. I have a similar version of these that are like all beige with a blue end, but I thought these would look so cute in the fall and winter with a pair of denim because they're like a navy blue, just really classic looking. So excited about these. Then I also got a pair of the Jack Roger heels, and I don't know if you guys remember these. When I was in high school, I really wanted these to be my prom shoe, but like the platinum version. But as a high schooler, I was like, okay, I'm not going to spend that much money on shoes. But I think these are so cute, and they're just like the black Jack Rogers. I thought these would look so cute like for a date night or something, so I'm super excited to style them. And then I did get this Vineyard Vines dress, and I love anything pink, and this has like little orange paisley on it. It's kind of like a simple neckline. I thought this would make a great pool cover up or just kind of like a casual summer day, and just a really soft linen material. And then I have two sweaters, t-shirts. They're really wild. So the first one is this Jones of New York. It's a petite shirt, and it's like a zebra print, and I don't know what had gotten into me with the zebra print because I have two zebra print items. I have this really cute t-shirt, but I also have a zebra print cashmere sweater, which you guys might have seen in my 50 different pink outfits video that I uploaded at the beginning of this year. I'll insert a card in case you guys haven't seen it, and it looks so cute with hot pink. And then the last item is this cheetah print sweater, and this is from Charter Club. And you guys, I know it's summertime, but imagine this with like a pair of skinny jeans with some bean boots and like a pink purse or like a little beanie. I'm just so excited. I think it's so cute. So I would love to hear in the comments down below which piece is your favorite. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I do read and respond back to every single comment. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button in case you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys back here very soon with another new YouTube video. Bye guys!